Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. And also to my return viewers, thank you so much for keeping up with me. I hope you guys are safe and doing well. So today we are making tuo Zaafi. I'm just going to show you guys the quickest way to make the tuo, which is the carbs part of the tuo Zaafi, aka diho. So here are the ingredients I'll be using. I have 1 cup of cassava flour and 1 cup of white corn flour. I'm also using 4 cups of warm water, and this is the measuring cup I'm using. Started first, I'm going to sift bowl flour. The corn normally doesn't have any left out products, but the cassava normally does, as you can see. So I don't want all those stuff in my tuo Zaafi. So that's what I'm making right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and mix 2 cups of water with this. And then add another cup of water, so that will be 3 cups, and then the remaining water I'm actually going to boil that on the side. So we are just going to follow the same process we will normally do when we are making binko. So I'm just going to keep stirring this for about 7 to 8 minutes on medium high heat. As I keep stirring, you can see that it will be thickening. Once it thickens, just keep stirring, and then try to kind of mash it on the side to remove any lumps that might be in there. Just continue this process for about 10 minutes on medium-low heat at this point. Now you can see that there is a big change. It looked like binko, kind of firm and heavy. So what we are going to do is I'm actually going to add the 1 remaining cup of water, which was boiling, to the tuo, and allow it to cook for 5 minutes on medium high. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to create little holes in the tuo to allow it to cook faster, and just cover it with my lid. So now you can see it's really soft. I'm just going to go ahead and mix everything together, and also stir it so I can get everything smoothed out. Now I'm actually going to test it. Now to test, to make sure that the diho is done, fully done, dip your hand in cold water and tap it on the surface of the tuo. If it doesn't stick on your finger, that means it's done and it's ready to be served. So my tuo is all done, and I can actually make 3 balls from this. So depending on your family size, you either make more or less, or you can just basically stick with my quantity, the quantity I'm using. Like I said, I'm making 3 balls from this. So I will put the link for the actual video, which is the original one I made, regarding how to make the soup and also the stew, in the description below, so you can check it out, along with the quantity I use to make this. And also let me know if you like this video, you want to see more of this later on as well. Let me know. Feel free to hit me up on Instagram, also let me know. Again, to my return viewers, thank you so much for keeping up with me. And to the new ones, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys have a wonderful Sunday and happy Easter.